Hi, my name is Jutta and today we're going to doodle food and drinks. Doodling is a great exercise to draw loosely while focusing and staying simple. I am doodling on my iPad, but you are by no means restricted to it. If you'd like to use a pen and paper or sketchbook, please go ahead and do so. As long as you're doodling at all, you train both your brain and your muscles. With that said, let me just explain what I am using here. I am on a 2000 by 2500 pixel canvas, which I prepared similarly as I did in last week's video. I am using my doodle brush set as well, which I am giving away this month. I talked quite a lot about it in my previous doodle video, so please check that out with the link in the description box. The short version is: subscribe to my newsletter throughout April and you'll receive the brush set with my April issue. The link is in the description box as well. But let's get to doodling now. I will stop talking again so that we all can enjoy a mindful doodling moment. Feel free to follow along and draw what I am drawing, or go with your own ideas. There is no right or wrong as long as you enjoy the process. And here we are with a canvas filled with cute food and drink doodles. Use them in your journaling or as sketch notes, or turn them into a GIF. Hopefully, you've enjoyed the process as much as I did. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your doodles on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post so that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, like this video and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!